Guess what I just got in the mail? It's my kiwi crate. If you want to know what's inside, stay tuned. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. You that don't know what a Doodle Crate is, it's a monthly subscription box that comes in every month. It's $19.95 a month, and it just comes with cool activities. You can cancel anytime, and I think that's all you need to know about it. So let's get in. So the first thing that you see, it will be this little booklet about what you're doing. Now today we'll be doing stained glass. And then, so it usually tells you what you're going to need and what it has inside of the box. And most of the time there's a couple things that you'll have around the house that you will need. In this project we'll need paper towels, colored pencils or pens, and tape. Let me run and get that, and then we can get started. Okay, so I got the stuff, and the first thing on the list was tape, colored pens or colored pencils, and paper towels. Now let's see what's in the box. First, traceable design sheets, and then there is the 3 clear circles in this little package, and then a black paint pen, and then there's chains, this is Sammy. And so there's these translucent paints, and also with these chains there is the paint spreader and the push pin, and then there is a suction cup hook. A suction cup hook. Ow. So the first one, it looks like an elephant. And the second one looks like a fish. And then the third one, it's just like designs. I don't know what that would be called. A star art. So I'm going to pick this one. So then we are going to take this big circle and take off paper. Where is there paper? Put that out of the way. To tape it down. Okay, so we're going to use this paint to color it, but first we're going to trace it with this marker. Is I supposed to shake it? So on the marker, it's said to shake with the cap in place before using, and then just dab it on a paper until the ink starts coming out, and then you can trace it. Coloring it, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to paint it with these paints. Guys, very important, you have to take the plastic off of it. So you just take off the sides so it can be very shiny like that. Now we are going to color it next, but first I'm going to take the tape off here. So when you paint it, you don't want to make it too thick, or the light won't come through as well. It won't be shiny. So. It would be easier to use Q-tips. Okay guys, so we have to let it dry overnight and we'll continue. But this is what it looks like so far. Will it run down if I show it? So we let it dry overnight, and I went ahead and did these two small ones. It's like the scales of a fish, and then an owl in a tree. So now we'll open up a jump ring. So I got this little package in here. Don't poke yourself with this thing. This is a jump ring. Find the split in the ring and pull the ends in opposite directions. Push the two sides back together. Okay, so we let them dry overnight, and then we went ahead and did a medium-sized, and this is like the fish, scales of a fish, and then mini, it's like an owl on a tree. So now we are going to get one of these jump rings, and it says to pull it apart, and then you're going to get one of these chains and put this through. And then we're going to go put it through the bottom one, because the top one, you're going to be putting this little suction cup. Now you're going to push it back together.
Front door.
Now I'm going to put this little thing. Okay, so then we're gonna go find a window that gets a lot of sunlight. So it can come through the grass. Not the grass. Come through the glass. Okay, so we hung it up and it broke, it fell, the sun wasn't coming through it, so we threw it away. I still liked it because I like doing the craft. I really like doing crafts. I give it 2 thumbs up. So, thumbs up and subscribe. I messed up. If you want to see more videos like this, give a thumbs up and subscribe.